Guys, I got a secret. I want to tell y'all something. This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, and thank you for tuning in, coming back, you beautiful people. All right, this video is a little different. I do want to start incorporating more makeup and skincare outside of my wigs. And if you like this wig, the link will be below. Anyway, I do want to incorporate more with my channel. So this video is exactly what you just saw. It's about subscription boxes. If you've tuned in, you clicked on that title and you want to know if it's worth it. All right, guys. So I have a big bag of subscription boxes that I've accumulated over the past months or to a year, which is kind of sad, but I'm laughing because I think it's kind of ridiculous now that I'm looking at it. I had to cancel some subscriptions. So let's go ahead and jump into it. There's Allure, Boxycharm, Sephora, and I think that's all the subscription boxes that I have done. Okay, let's start with Boxycharm. Boxycharm, love them. Boxycharm is great. You get like 4 to 5 different makeup items, and most of them, the reason I've canceled my Boxycharm subscription is because I felt like it was starting to not repeat, but I felt like I was starting to get like the same products. Mind you, I've gotten a lot of good products from Boxycharm. Boxycharm, I've gotten eyeshadow palettes, lippies. The good part about Boxycharm is that you get full size items. So I was able to try a lot of different skincare, down from facial washes. I've got Glam Glow. There's different face washes that I was able to try full size. I've tried different moisturizers. I've tried different serums. There's so much stuff that comes in Boxycharm, and I like Boxycharm because they give a good variety of items, from eyeshadow to lip liner to lippies to skincare. They give a good variety. I've canceled them only because I felt like my stuff was just starting to pile up and it was getting too overwhelming for me. Should you get Boxycharm? I believe yes. Boxycharm is great if you want to start off and you're trying to get, you don't know what you want to get and you want to get into like makeup and skincare. It's a good variety of all of those around. Next, Allure. My Allure box. I really like Allure. I've continued with them because first of all, you get like about 5, let's see, what do we get in this last box? Y'all probably want to see what's in the boxes. Like I've got a mask. I don't even know which box this was. This was a Glam Glow mask. You get like eye mask. Oh, this is a mask box. Box right here. What was in this box from Allure? This is a pamphlet. In this one, I did get a good combination of like Sunday Riley, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It looks like I got some eyeshadow stuff in there, like this eyeshadow highlighter stuff. Sunday Riley. I do like Allure because like Allure rates different items like for like Allure Beauty of the Year, so it's like the top beauty items of the year. So I do like Allure in that aspect of it because I feel like you get to try quality items, like I said, Sunday Riley. I've got Ole Henriksen. I've got Glam Glow. There's so many good products that I did get to try because of my Allure beauty box. With that said, I will probably continue them because I feel like it's a good mix. They don't do so much like eyeshadows and all of that like they did with Boxycharm. So as far as the makeup goes, I don't feel overwhelmed with like getting full-size palettes of stuff. It's like little samples, so for me that's okay. And I do like the fact that they're kind of up to date with what's in, and that's why I like them, because it's kind of more like what's current, if that makes sense. All right, let's go to Sephora. All right, Sephora. I am a product junkie, obviously. That's kind of why I get so much subscription boxes. Sephora, I am still current with them. I do like them because they're about $10.95, or it's $10 a month, but with tax it comes out to like $10.95 a month. And it's awesome. Like, you get to try little, this is my last Sephora box. I think this is the November one. And look, so it comes with like a little newsletter or whatever that tells you what you get. And these are all the items that I've gotten in my last my last Sephora box. It came with like a primer, a face setting spray, a cleanser, and I do like it because we all know, we go to Sephora, we like to try little samples, we like to get little gifts and stuff, and I do like this box because for $10, like, you get all these little, like, nice little things to try. Like, this is some face cleanser. This is face setting spray from Urban Decay. And I do like Sephora because I feel like there are things that, with Sephora, there are items that they sell in Sephora, so if you like it, you can go and get it at Sephora, as opposed to some of these subscription boxes. I have tried Ipsy, but Ipsy products, I was like, what brand is that? You know, but that's just, like I said, that's me. But with Sephora, I feel like, okay, I like that Urban Decay, I can go buy it, I can go get the full size. I liked that, that Tarte, I can go get it. So with that said, those 3 subscription boxes that I get. Boxycharm, you can also upgrade your Boxycharm for like, I think every 3 months you can do a Boxy Luxe, which is a bigger box. I have tried that one time. I did cancel it only because, like I said, I was just getting overwhelmed with my subscription boxes, and my husband and like, it was just starting to get crazy. It was starting to get crazy up in here. But that was a good one, like the Boxy Luxe, because I got a big full-size makeup brush kit. I got a big full-size like hair like curling wand, and it was a lot of good stuff. So on top of your $20 that you pay every month, every 3 months you're gonna pay about $29.95. Did cancel that, like I said, because I just felt like I didn't need all that stuff anymore. So that's Boxycharm. Allure, I still have Allure. You can start off first membership, first month for $10, and then after that they charge you about $15. I do still like Allure subscription boxes. For me, like I said, they're current, they're up to date. It's what's trendy, it's what's like in, it's not like outdated stuff. It's what's like new and exciting, and they're good products. Sephora, love Sephora. Ugh, I just love Sephora. I feel like if you want to give me a birthday present, like just give me a Sephora gift card. All right, so Sephora, it's great. It's $10. You get all your little sample sizes. You get about 4 to 5 samples of different products, and it comes every month, and that's that. So to sum it up, yes, absolutely. Subscription boxes, great way to try new products. Great way to try new. If you want to get into skincare, makeup, definitely. That's how I feel about that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Again, if you like this wig that I'm wearing right here, I will leave the link below. And also, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. Recently, people have been coming to the channel, and I appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and rocking with me and believing in me. We gonna do this. We growing. We doing this. We doing it. All right, guys. Until next time, Bye!